Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009, Infringement against the King. Article 440, Regicide. Regicide is an assassination of the king. Regicide is punished to a life imprisonment. Article 441, Tortures or barbarous acts against the king. Tortures or barbarous acts against the king is punishable by an imprisonment from 10 years to 20 years. Article 442, Violence against the king. The intentional commission of violence is punishable by an imprisonment from 7 years to 15 years. Article 443, Aggravating circumstances resulting from or disability. Intentional violence is punishable by an imprisonment from 10 years to 20 years when it has resulted in maiming or permanent disability of the king. Article 444, Aggravating circumstances resulting in death. Intentional violence is punishable by an imprisonment from 20 years to 30 years when it has resulted in a death without intention of so doing. Article 445, Insulting the king. Insulting the king is punishable by an imprisonment from 1 month to 6 months, and a fine from 100,000 riels to 10 million riels, when it is committed. 1. By speeches, of any kind whatsoever, pronounced in a public place or in any public meeting. 2. By writing or sketches, of any kind whatsoever, distributed in public or exposed to the sights of the public. Article 446, Insulting committed through media. The insulting committed through media is subject to the provisions of the press law. Article 438, Additional penalties, categories and duration. For the offences laid out in the present chapter, the following additional penalties may be pronounced. 1. Deprivation of certain civil rights definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 2. Prohibition against pursuing a profession during which time the crime was committed in course of or during the occasion of pursuing of this profession definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 3. Prohibition against taking residency for a period of not more than 10 years. 4. Prohibition against leaving the territory of the Kingdom of Cambodia for a period of not more than 5 years. 5. For a convicted foreigner, prohibition against entering or taking residency in the territory of the Kingdom of Cambodia definitively or for a period of not more than 5 years. 6. Confiscation of any instruments, materials or any objects which have been used to commit the offense or were intended to commit the offense. 7. Prohibition against possessing or carrying weapon definitely or for a period of not more than 5 years. 8. Posting the decision of sentence for a period of not more than 2 months. 9. Publication of the decision of sentence in the newspapers. 10. Broadcasting the decision of sentence by all means of audiovisual communications for a period of not more than 8 days.